Welcome to Shakespeare Tutorials. Today we are going to create this cool photo effect in Photoshop using brush tool and blending modes. So let's begin. We are starting with the new document with white background. Take the brush tool from the toolbar. On the keyboard, B is the shortcut key for that. Make sure that the brush color is black. It is your choice which brush you are using. We can either use the default brush or we can change the brush type from these settings here. Before painting, we have to create a new layer. Press Ctrl Shift N on the keyboard to create a new layer. In the new layer window, we can give name for the layer. This time we can give the name brush design. Press OK and start painting with the brush tool until you are getting a cool looking calligraphic frame. We can use the opening and closing brace bracket keys on the keyboard for increasing and decreasing the brush size or eraser tool size or any other tool size. When we are satisfied with the result, we have to open our subject image for this work. That is my baby's photo. So reduce the size of this image. So for that you have to use the transform tool, that is on the keyboard Ctrl T. We can use that. While using the transform option, press and hold both Alt and Shift keys on the keyboard to transform proportionally to center. Then here just drag and drop that picture onto this page. Okay, that is okay. We only need this much. Take the selection key by pressing on M key on the keyboard and select this much and delete. So decreasing the opacity, we can see what's behind it, and this size is good. We have to just increase the size a bit. Okay, press enter to deselect. Now we can select the subject pick and just play with the blending modes here. Lighten screen. Okay, it is better in screen. It is blended with that shape nicely. We can color correct this image by using curves adjustment layer or vibrance adjustment layer like this. Even if it is optional, we can give a gradient tint to our picture by adding this gradient adjustment layer and take any gradient pattern that is suitable for your image. Don't forget to change the blending mode of that adjustment layer to soft light and reduce the opacity accordingly. We can also make some glowing things by creating a new layer above our image. Ctrl Shift N for creating a new layer, and just take one soft brush. Just take the foreground color picker and select the red color and change the blending mode to screen. Okay, then we can paint blue color below and green here. To remove this scar on this face, we have to change the brush color to black and select the brush design layer and just paint over the image with that black brush. We can save the image when we are satisfied with the design So if you like the video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more cool tutorials like this. So stay tuned for the next tutorial.